Hi students, I am Prakash, Academic Advisor, Masterminds. Definitely we are overwhelmed with the love and affection, trust and confidence being shown by the student community on our organization. This time our CA Inter regular batch admissions are extremely good. Today, that is by January 6th, our CA Inter pre-results regular batch admissions have reached 1500. Actually, we did not even expected this kind of response, this many number of admissions, but due to students' love and affection, we got this many number of admissions for CA Inter regular batch students. This includes our admissions in Guntur as well as all our branches put together. I am leaving a link for a short video on achievements of masterminds at CA Inter level that we have achieved in the recent past. So please do watch that video. Thank you, one and all.